Hey guys, Mr. Mom 713 here again, and I just want to talk to you a little bit. I've noticed there's a lot of, especially on social media, I've been seeing a lot of people starting different programs or getting on their nutrition, especially after Thanksgiving. It seems like everybody's back. Monday, hey, this is the day I'm going to get started. I'm going to get on track, start eating healthy. I think it's great that you want to start on something, you want to set a date, and then go get it. So you're probably thinking, oh, November, after Thanksgiving, and then go on into Christmas, and so I can start the year off on the right note, which is great. This will give you plenty of time to start forming some habits, and that's what you need to do. If you want to make some real changes, you got to form some habits. You got to remember, tell yourself the reason why you're in this situation is because of what you do right now. So you have to change those things to get some real results. So some things that I can suggest is to have a plan every single day. Plan out your day a day ahead, I guess you can say. Whatever you're going to eat tomorrow, try to have an idea of that. If you're going to get up and go to the gym in the morning, have all your gym stuff ready the night before. And if you take a pre-workout, have that ready. That's what I do in the morning. I get all my stuff ready at nighttime, because the last thing you want to be doing is trying to get your stuff ready in the morning. Give yourself any excuse not to go hit the gym or whatever you're going to do. So that's one thing you can do. Try to be ready. They say if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So have a plan for the next day. Try to think about what you're going to eat throughout the day, because there's going to be times you're going to have, I'll have this for breakfast, this for lunch, this for dinner, and then things are going to come up. And so you might need some snacks in there. If you do happen to have a meal, let's say you have a healthy breakfast, healthy lunch, you've been doing good all day, and then dinner rolls around and you're not as healthy as you want to be, that's all right. It's only one meal. It's okay. Just move on and go to the next meal. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't give up. That's where people, oh, I tried, I started, I lasted a couple days, and then I gave up. Don't give up. Keep going. It's in you. You can do it. I know it's easy to give up. And so we need to get out of our comfort zone. That's where you see real results. You see real results in the gym when you get out of your comfort zone. You see real results with your nutrition when you get out of your comfort zone. That's where you'll get the real result. Don't go into it blindly. Have a plan and have everything ready. Just remember, keep telling yourself, it's just day by day. It's a lifestyle change that you're going to make. It's not, oh, I'm going to do this for 2 weeks and I'm going to weigh myself and I'm going to see where I'm at. If I'm not where I want to be, then I'm just going to quit. Maybe it's just not for me. That's not true. You can do it. Anybody can get up and go to the gym and, oh, I'm going to go work out. I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to go do this and that. And that's fine. The thing is, though, if you're not focused on your nutrition, you can't outwork a bad diet. So you need to tighten that up. You need to really focus on that. If you happen to fall off on a meal, then just keep moving on, but be conscious of it. And I always say track everything you eat, because then you'll really realize if you think you're eating healthy, you're probably not eating as healthy as you think you are. I see a lot of people, oh yeah, I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to go do this and that. I went to the gym this morning, which is great. Get it in. Get your workout in. But it's what you do the rest of the day also that makes a big difference. It's what you eat. It's your habits that you're creating, because it's a lifestyle change. Obviously, you are where you are because of the lifestyle that you have. Whatever you have to do to get past that, you know what you got to do. Those are just some of the tips that I have, because like I said, I see a lot of people online. I've seen a lot of people out running and doing stuff outdoors, going for walks and everything, man, which is just awesome. I love to see that. Stay moving. I always say keep moving. And it's all about being consistent. You got to be consistent. And it's okay if you fall off a day. Just get back on. Do not give up. That's where too many people fail. They just give up. No giving up. You got it. All right? Just hang in there. I'll keep putting out as much as I can on all my social medias. I'll try to put daily exercises I do on my Instagram, on TikTok. I'll try to keep doing as many YouTube shorts and videos like this. Anything to help you out. Let me know if you got any questions, comments, if you want me to talk about anything else. If I know about it, I'll talk about it. If I don't know about it, I'm not going to speak on it. So just let me know. I'm only here to help. Mr. Mom 713, just here to help you get and stay fit. Let's go. You got it. Come on.